Today, the motorcycle team from Hoosier Arena Cross Outlaws is in town, and we're here with team owner Jeff. So, Jeff, tell us, what has you guys in town?
Okay, so this is the 9th and 10th night of racing Hoosier Tire Arena Cross Outlaws. We're here in Kansas City. We've been traveling all over the Midwest and Mid-South. Now it's time for the event here in Kansas City. We got tonight, Friday night, and then tomorrow, also Saturday night.
Very exciting, and one of the guys on the team has quite the reputation.
I guess. I mean, my team. So my team, not necessarily, but there's a few guys that we race with. Yeah, I mean, we've got a couple bright personalities that race this series, and I mean, we're motorcycle racers through and through. So you never know what to expect. I mean, there's a pretty wide variety of individuals that race. Yeah.
And for people who aren't familiar with the event at all, what can they expect?
Okay, so we'll probably have 30 to 35 pro riders, and then probably 500 amateur racers. We have a full program. You'll get to see the pro racers race probably 4 times minimum each night, and then amateurs, they fill out the rest of the program. And then we also have Anthony Murray here, Team Gravity Slayers. He's the resident freestyle guy. He's going to be doing some backflips and big tricks, and
oh my gosh.
Yeah, he's part of the intermission show. So Anthony's a great addition to the series to fill out the full family fun aspect.
Yeah, backflips.
Yeah, it's kind of a big deal.
Kind of, you guys, just kind of. And so for anyone who's interested in seeing the show, what's the best way to go about seeing it?
Well, it's at Hale Arena, and you can pick up tickets at the door or also on Ticketmaster, and then HoosierArenaCross.com. You can pick up tickets there. Also, I would say buy now, because both nights will sell out.
And is this the kind of event that you want to bring earplugs? Loud in there?
I would say it's not a bad idea to bring earplugs for the kids. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Can't go wrong with the earplugs. So You heard it right here. They're in town. It's going to be super exciting. And of course, you can see a lot more of the top class racing at Hale Arena today and tomorrow at 7 p.m. For more information, go to HoosierArenaCross.com.